Time to play on my Xbox. Maybe I should play the game that Exploding Apple plays on his stream. Should I play a normal game mode or hard mode? I think I like the normal mode better. I can't wait to play this match. Damn, that guy was skilled. I wonder what his name is.
That guy is absolute dog water. I'm gonna get at Hector to take him out.
I love working out. Get out of here, man. Thanks for coming over, Hector. Let's get grinding the Haunted Harvest event in Chuckum Farmers. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Scully's Fresh Post.